Hassan is on that bit until the UNEA 5.2 closes over the weekend, if I'm not wrong. Away from that, let's bring you back here to court now. And Meru Senator Mithika Linturi now wants the High Court to find that his rights were infringed and violated, and orders that he be paid damages for that. In a matter that will be coming up before Justice Professor Joel Ngugi at the Nakuru High Court tomorrow, the senator says that his arrest, detention and subsequent arraignment in an alleged hate speech case was pure political persecution. Now, the senator's petition, further strengthened by the decision by Nakuru Chief Magistrate Edna Nyaloti to close the file of miscellaneous application against him after the ODPP stated it had no charges against Linturi over his Madoadoa remarks in Eldoret earlier on in the year.
The court noted on the 26th of January 2022 that the DPP had not charged the respondent and granted the DPP a last adjournment to make up their mind to either charge the respondent or withdraw the application. And this miscellaneous application is withdrawn, the file be closed, and the cash bail be released to the depositor.
You know, the Ruto team, the very strong pillars of the Asla movement, there is none of us who doesn't have a case in court. Mien Bigachagua, Aisha Njuma, Linturi, and many others. We have cases. The whole idea is to keep us busy, because that's what I understand them. When I meet some of them, we say that we must keep these people busy so that they concentrate in courts and have no time to go and campaign.
We have already launched a constitutional petition in the Nakuru High Court. That matter comes up for mention tomorrow before Justice Ngugi to, number one, make declarations that there has been violations of Mheshimiwa's rights, his right to dignity, his right to freedom, economic rights.
All right, on that note, we take a short break right here on Kivumbi 2022. But as we take the break, let's take a look at the Ball newspaper, tomorrow's news today. And here is the headline. And Kalonzo, the man who holds Azimio's fate, and the Standard captures this: in Uhuru's succession, Wiper leader has kept allies and rivals guessing. Will he join hands with Raila and Uhuru? If he will, why has he welcomed Moses Kuria, their critic, into Oka? The next 12 days will definitely reveal his true colors and shape presidential poll. I love the play of words there, will reveal his true colors. And of course, the other story that is making your headlines on the left of the newspaper: shock of dead voters still in the IEBC register. As we reported, they are unable to find a farm to clean up the voter register. So many of the voters who may have passed on or transitioned are still in the ballot. And also, Kenyan students caught up in Ukraine conflicts. That story also in the Standard. We also have it for you. And of course, there's a lot to talk about. So grab your copy of the Bold newspaper. As I always say, only the bold speak the truth. When we come back, business break, we'll be making sense of the shillings and cents. Stay with us.